Hi guys, it's Dave from BC Hydro. This week we're cooking up a special challenge for the Lords and the Changs and learning how we can save energy in the kitchen. And remember, stay tuned for that code word. We're going to prepare a 2-course meal, and the winning family will be the family which prepares their meal with as little electricity as possible.
Awesome, this is my jam. Let's do it.
Yeah.
Just because it's power smart doesn't mean that you have to go easy on the delicious.
Okay.
I'm not just gonna have any slop served to me here. I want something nice and nuanced. Silas, I'm looking at you. You'll have 2 hours. I'm gonna supply all the ingredients for you. Are we ready to see what we're dealing with?
Yes.
We're ready.
All right.
So ready.
Here we go, guys. Good luck.
Oh my God.
Drink it in.
Got some pasta.
There's a lot. What do you
Let's do
think,
this.
Claire? You have some good ideas.
Maybe we can make the spaghetti.
You guys make the salad.
Okay.
Me and Mom will try to do the lasagna.
Okay.
You're on the clock, Claire. Guys, have you thought about a recipe that uses cheese?
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah.
All right, I see Claire and Trevor, you're hard at work here near the toaster oven.
Yep.
Yeah,
What are you making?
So we're making some garlic bread to go for the side of our spaghetti.
We're gonna rub some garlic on it and a little bit of olive oil drizzle. Bam with the flavor.
Bam with the flavor, but also bam. Toaster ovens use 50% less electricity than a conventional oven. Trevor doesn't know it, but he's a genius.
You know what? We happen to have this handy dandy little guy here.
I like the way this family's coming together, Changs. I like what I'm seeing
Sounds
here.
very exciting.
How much electricity do you think you're using right now?
None.
0. That's right, my man. 0. I'm just gonna have some more cheese, guys.
We gotta have some cheese to
Hey, Dave.
cook with, Dave.
What's happening here, ladies? Looks very tasty.
I hope so. We're making some tomato sauce.
I admire your laid-back approach, but I want to remind you, you are on the clock.
Yeah, no worries.
Okay, Changs are doing well, but it is a little alarming they haven't even cracked open the cheese.
Go.
Good use of a small appliance. We've got one burner going, boiling water. We've got another burner with sauce. 1 hour left.
What's this cheese for?
Excuse me. I don't
Don't
know.
worry about the cheese, Claire. Don't worry about the cheese.
Well, the dressing's smelling good. It's smelling
Has it
pretty
already got some ginger in it?
lemony.
No, not yet.
Not yet. But it's smelling
Hey.
lemony right now. What the?
What are you working on here, Silas?
I am making lasagna filling.
Very nice. I'm getting hungry. 30 minutes
Parmesan and
remaining.
some olive oil.
This week's code word is cheese. This looks great.
Yeah, it does look great.
I'm just gonna make sure there's no issue here, Silas.
Make sure it's good cheese.
Oh yeah. Keep up the good work.
Dude, you have problems.
Dude, don't worry. You're on the clock. Hugo's hard at work on the stove here. For everybody at home, use the smallest pan and burner available that's suitable for the task to save energy. Time's up, Lords. Time's up. Claire,
Yes.
let's eat. Here we are. This is my favorite part of the challenge. Oh my. Guys, it's delightful. Are there any secret ingredients?
Power Smart tips and love.
I can taste both.
More cheese?
Don't mind if I do. You used the toaster oven, which was a great pick. I also saw you only used one pot on the stove. Changs, you killed this challenge.
Hey.
How do you think you did in terms of saving energy?
She used up most of it when she was making the dressing for the salad.
We may
It's
have
good.
used a little more energy than we would have liked to today, but I'm much more aware.
Right away, I liked the Changs. But do you know who I love?
Who?
The Power Smart Changs. Cheers to Power Smart Changs.
Here's the Power Smart Changs.
Lords, I'm having a lovely time.
Thanks for coming. Do you think he'll come again?
I was wondering if it'd be all right if I stayed the night. It's time to announce the winner of this week's challenge. Are you ready?
Ready.
You, Changs, are the winners of this week's challenge! I must report to you, Lords, you are not the winner of this week's challenge.
What?
Really?
I'm sorry.
We thought we did so well.
You're very gracious in defeat, Lords. Stick with me as the Changs and Lords undertake more fun weekly challenges. For your chance to win Energy Star appliances and other great weekly prizes, use this week's code word, cheese. If you run a load a day without the heat try, you're gonna save yourselves up to $37 annually.
Really?
Really, Trevor.